Today we're going to introduce everyone to tables and their role in web design today. A long time ago, back in the 90s for sure, and early 2000s, a lot of web designers would use tables to build out and lay out their structure of their web page, meaning we'd have a cell for the logo, we'd have a bunch of cells, might be a little bit longer, merged together to make navigation, a bunch of cells merged together for a main content, and maybe a bunch for a sidebar, things like that. But primarily today, what they're used for is just for data layout. We list different types of things, kind of like a spreadsheet, and let the tables just kind of display it. But tables don't have to look like this. This is kind of an older, ugly, table that we have. I've got another example here of one using a lot of CSS, and CSS brings and is able to bring in all that style that we just can't do with HTML alone. So today I've got a simple table that I've built up here, okay, and it's going to start out with table tags, and we'll go into every tag as we kind of move along. But you can see here in its simplest form, we've got just some tables, right? And it looks something like that. And with tables, we can tie that back into CSS. So maybe we want to say, all right, all of our tables, and we'll talk about TRs and TDs and what those are. But we're going to apply a border, maybe just 1 pixel. We'll make it solid, and we'll make it dark gray or something like that. And you can see that table show up there. You can also add captions into your tables if you do so choose. So I'll add a caption in here, and we'll call this one like types of monkeys, something like that. And you can see how it's placed that caption above our table. So in its simplest form, that's kind of how a table looks and works. And we're going to dive some more into that in other videos.